In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ChatGPT for emails, a step-by-step guide. We'll turn ChatGPT into a practical email assistant while keeping your private information safe and your messages polished and on brand. First, lock down your data. Before pasting any client conversations or work correspondence, open the app's settings from the profile menu in the bottom left corner. In data controls, toggle off Improve the model for everyone. This ensures your workplace logs and sensitive project details won't be used for broad training. As a safety rule, never paste passwords, financial details, or raw API tokens into any chat. Keep examples generic and strip identifying information whenever possible. Next, choose the right model for the job using the selector at the top of your chat. For rapid inbox cleanups, quick out-of-office notes, or polishing short updates, stay on the instant tier. It's fast and excellent for high-volume tasks. When the stakes are higher, switch to the thinking tier. It applies deeper reasoning for delicate escalations, reviewing service agreements, or structuring multi-point proposals where nuance matters. Before drafting, prime the system with tone and context. Instead of a vague request like write a cold sales email, hold Shift plus Enter to create a multi-line prompt. Ask it to act as a corporate communications director and brand strategist, and instruct it to first ask you 3 targeted questions about your recipient, the core problem you solve, and your desired call to action. Answer those questions one by one to align on audience, value, and outcome before a single sentence is written. When alignment is set, move your drafting into a focused workspace. In the prompt box, type /canvas, then create an organized email outreach brief based on our parameters. Format the workspace into a clean table with subject line option, opening hook, core value pitch paragraph, and clear call to action. Your screen will split, keeping chat on the left and an editable canvas on the right for structured writing. Refine your voice directly in the canvas. Highlight any sentence or paragraph, tap the comment bubble, and give a precise instruction like, "This feels too aggressive." Emphasize empathy, acknowledge time constraints up front, state our value smoothly, and keep the close, low pressure. Only that section will update. For cleaner copy, open the Canvas tool menu and slide the tone gauge to professional and direct to remove filler and keep language crisp. Finally, verify and export. In the left chat, use the globe icon for live web searching to confirm details, such as recent press releases or current goals for the recipient's company. When everything checks out, click Export or Download from the Canvas header and save as a Word document, Markdown file, or PDF ready to send. That is all. Thank you for watching, and see you guys on the next